Hi guys, how is everyone doing? This is Sandy and I have some projects I'd like to share with you all, and they're just quick simple projects. And what I did was I used this die, or it's actually a tab file die, and it's a die set by Kaisercraft. I will put the details in the bottom of the description box if you wanted to purchase this set here. I purchased this set in our major craft store called Spotlight here in Sydney, Australia, and again it's by Kaisercraft, and it comes with this shape file tab die, which is that shape when you cut it out, and then the other one is this shape here, which is that one. And it also comes with a bracket die. So I just want to show you a few projects where I use this tab file die here. And what I did was I made some tags with the file tab, and I just stuck it on the top of the paper to create a tag look. So this is one of them. And I also made another one here. And this one here, I punched a hole in the center and added some trim to this tag. And I just thought this was a fun way of making tags instead of just having like a plain tag and then embellishing it. So I did that one as well. And so I also made with the tab file, I made them into little toppers for my small clear seal packaging bags, and I just thought that was a cute way of decorating my packages. So that's how I'd done it with what I used this tab file for, and I've added some in this packaging here. So that was another project you can do if you have this file tab die. I also did find a similar set like this one on AliExpress. I will put that link in the bottom as well if you wanted to have a look at it, although I don't know if it's the same size as this one, but I think you can still make a similar style tags and toppers with it as well. And I also made it an altered paper clip using the file tab as well up here. And I just added some paper on the bottom and embellished that, and then attached it to the paper clip. So that's just another fun project you can do using these file tabs. So to make this one here, all I did was I just cut some decorative paper, and I just cut it at 2 1/4 inches by 3 1/4 inches, and I ran through the die with this paper here, and then all you do is just adhere some glue to the bottom and on the other side, and just adhere it to your decorative paper like that, and then it creates a nice tag. So that's how you do that one. And then to make these little cute bag toppers, these are just some self-sealing clear bags that I purchased in my local variety store, and they were like a couple of dollars for about 100 pieces, and I think it measures 2 1/4 by 2 1/2 once you close it. So what I've got here is I just had some scrap paper here, and I just use that as my backing, and I'll just slide that in the packaging like that. So I'll slide that in. So, and then I just put my little craft goodies inside, and these are just some doilies that I've cut out using one of my dies. Just pop all that in there. And I'll seal the bottom bit. And then all you do next is you just fold it in half, your file tab, just like you did for the tag style, and then just glue that to the top. So what you want to do is you want to leave the opening bit at the bottom of the packaging, and you adhere the file tab at the top. So then all your recipient has to do is just unseal it from the bottom, and they can take it out without having to damage your decorative topper on the top. And then I just embellished it like I did here. So that's one way of doing that. And then the other way was using your paper clip. And all you do with that is, I just grab a paper clip. All you do is you just grab your file tab die and you slide it into the paper clip. I think it is. Sorry, just trying to work out which way. Sorry, so it slides in that way. And then you just keep it there, and then what you do is you just embellish your paper first, that you're going to attach it to the file tab, and then once you've done that you just slide it in and then glue it on like that, and there you have your altered paper clip. So that's just another way of using this die if you do have it. If not, I will put, again, like I said, I'll put the details in the description box at the bottom from another die set that I found online if you wanted to give this a go. So yes, I just want to share with you some projects that you can do using that file tab, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Please give it a thumbs up and click on the bell if you would also like to see more of my videos, and as I like sharing what I make. And please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.